So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the last Snapshot presentation. My name's Bronwyn Forster and I'm Senior Product Manager at Tecan. Let's move on. For those of you who may be not familiar with Tecan, we provide instruments, that's robotics, liquid handling and detection systems to automate workflow solutions, predominantly for the biopharma, biotechnology and diagnostics areas. Also forensics, we're pretty active. Solutions help to accelerate, automate and enhance the processes in pretty much any state-of-the-art life science laboratory. We are global leaders. We've been doing this for 30 years. We provide OEM instruments, that's through third parties, and we also provide directly to individual laboratories. We have headquarters in Switzerland, that's where I'm from. That's the head of our liquid handling robotics division. We're also a publicly listed company with about 1,200 employees. So today I'd like to tell you about the new Fluent family. We have a new series of liquid handling robotic systems, the Fluent 480, 780 and 1080, three different sizes which are reflecting different capacities. The Fluent 480 has, although it's the smallest system, has the amazing capacity of 30 plates, the middle size 48 if you were to put microplates across the deck, and the 1080, the largest system, with 72 plates. So characterized by an extremely high capacity for a very compact footprint. This is the Fluent 780, the mid-sized system. There's one on our stand in the hall today. This particular system is configured specifically for cell-based assays. So the actual footprint here, it's about 2.5 meters wide, and you have three pipetting arms. On the left-hand side, a flexible channel arm for single sample pipetting. In the middle of the system, an MCA multiple channel arm that has 384 and 96 head capabilities. It can change automatically between these two different formats on the fly within seconds. And on the right-hand side, a very fast robotic arm which can access any position on the work table, anything along the side or behind the instrument, and what you can't see here at the moment are even devices under the deck. We have in this configuration a carousel for storing tips and plates, the incubator, a thermo C10, and also readers and washers for the full process underneath. The deck of the system is pretty unique. It's exciting. We call it the dynamic deck. The actual work table is made up of a series of segments which locate onto the chassis of the instrument, so that makes it a very robust connection. It's a very precise system, but it's also very easy to just simply unlock them, move them away, use the space underneath them, or swap them around for a different kind of application should the project change. There's also a second layer, the double deck, just below the upper layers, so we can actually accommodate items such as, here for example, a shaker with a deep well plate on it to take that height out. And as I indicated, we have access anywhere below the deck. Here are three devices, a reader, a washer and a plate shaker, all with a single point access through the deck. We have a brand new software, FLUENTCONTROL. This is just an example of the very simple drag and drop programming screen, but the top imprint here is from the touchscreen interface, which is actually the main interface for all operators on a daily basis. So the touchscreen is standard, very simple control. So for example, do I want to take care of the system or do I want to start a method? It's set up specifically for individual operators. You only see the assays, for example, that you want to execute, and you can also accommodate that with as much information as you need to remind you how to ensure that your assay runs through safely. You could in fact embed videos, SOPs, all kinds of instructions so that the assay finishes successfully. What's special about our cell-based assay solution here is that we've already been working very closely with some experts in this field. Sysbio, we have automated their epigenetics assay, a complex high-throughput situation. From DiscoverX, we've taken GPCR assays, which demonstrates the versatility of the system. And we've also been working, fortunately, together with European Screening Port, now part of the Fraunhofer Institute, on two assays, cell-based cytotoxicity and a biochemical assay based on thrombin, and they confirm the footprint, the robustness, the ease of use of the system. So basically we're going in a system sample all the way through to the data. I didn't mention this guy on the top, that's a HEPA hood, cell-based assays. We want to make sure that we maintain a clean environment, so the system is complete there. If you want to know more, seeing is really believing, please come and visit us on our booth. That's H4G4. And we have a tutorial this afternoon at 2:30. That's in room Exchange 8. Thanks very much indeed for your time. Thanks for listening.
Thanks, Brendan. And many thanks for your sponsorship for the session. That's much appreciated. So that draws the morning session to a close. We reconvene at 3 p.m. following the plenary presentation